This is the moment Marines provide close air support against a simulated enemy with a powerful minigun at a training ground in California. The close air support training took place at the Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center, 29 Palms, in California. According to the video, the United States Marines with Marine Light Attack Squadron were flying, landing, piloting and providing close air support by firing with the M134 powerful minigun from UH-1Y Venom helicopters. The M134 Minigun is an American NATO 6-barrel rotary machine gun with a high rate of fire from between 2,000 and 6,000 rounds per minute.